Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix you need to have Vanguard running to play in League of Legends. Well, this error happened because the Vanguard didn't load correctly or is corrupted. So the thing you have to do is to press the Windows key here and you have to write a control panel. You go to the control panel and you have to find the delete a program option. So you press it and uninstall a program, and here you have to find the Vanguard. So in my case I already deleted it, but you have to delete the Vanguard, and then you have to open the Riot client, go to League of Legends and press the update button. So when you press that update button you will be able to install Vanguard again, and it's very important that you have to restart the PC before joining another League of Legends game because the error will be there. So when you restart your PC you will be able to play without any problem. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you next time in another easy way video. Goodbye.